An Garda Síochána continues to investigate all the circumstances of a fatal house fire that occurred at this domestic residence in Castleview Park, Edenderry, County Offaly on the evening of Saturday the 6th of December 2025. While this was a reckless, callous and murderous attack on a family home, An Garda Síochána continues to keep an open mind as to the reasons and the motives for this attack. This murder investigation is being coordinated from an incident room in Tullamore Garda Station and is under the direction of a senior investigating officer. On Saturday the 6th of December 2025, 4-year-old Tadhg Farrell was visiting his grandmother and his grandaunt, Mary Holt, here in Castleview Park, Edenderry in County Offaly. On that same date, the Christmas tractor run took place here in Edenderry at 6 p.m, attended by over 250 tractors, raising money for local charitable causes. Shortly before 7:45 p.m, this family home here at Castleview Park was attacked. The remains of Tadhg and his grandaunt Mary were discovered in the front room of the house where the fire was deliberately started. Tadhg's grandmother continues to receive hospital treatment for serious injuries. The Garda investigation into the murder of Tadhg Farrell and Mary Holt continues to be led by the Serious Crime Unit in the Laois Offaly Garda Division, and it's supported by other resources from within the Laois Offaly Garda Division, the Garda National Bureau of Criminal Investigation, the Garda Síochána Analyst Service and other national units. Postmortems on the remains of Tadhg Farrell and Mary Holt have been carried out and are completed. The results of the postmortems are not being released for operational reasons. An Garda Síochána, through the role of the Family Liaison Officer, continue to support and will support the families of Tadhg and Mary at this time as they prepare for family funerals. An Garda Síochána would also like to acknowledge the support that we have received and that the family have received from the community in Edenderry and to the wider community who have supported us throughout this investigation. I want to reassure the community here in Edenderry and throughout the Laois Offaly Garda Division that I will ensure that An Garda Síochána are here to support you and the families through this traumatic event, but also that An Garda Síochána is determined that those who are responsible for these deaths shall be brought to justice. To date, the Garda investigation team has carried out over 150 investigative jobs, over 250 house-to-house inquiries. We have retrieved in excess of 60 pieces of CCTV and taken over 100 written documents. Tadhg should be with his family today. His grandaunt, Mary, should be working in the local nursing home where she has worked for in excess of 40 years helping the local community. I now appeal directly to any person with any information on this violent, fatal incident to speak with investigating Gardaí. The investigation team can be contacted at Tullamore Garda Station on 057 932 7600, the Garda Confidential line 1800 666 111, or indeed any Garda station, and also particularly Edenderry Garda Station. Thank you.